Is Jordan Brand getting a little playful? Traditionally, many Air Jordan releases highlighted iconic moments from Michael Jordan's career, which made sense given his legendary achievements. Today, the brand doesn't always need a story for adult releases, sometimes a fresh colorway or a trendy detail is enough to grab attention. But kids' Jordans take fun to another level. The Air Jordan 3 We Outside is a perfect example. This pair is all about playful energy, from the extended elephant print on the eyestays to neon green speckles on the midsole and bold checkerboard laces. Even the Jumpman carabiner and pebbled insert paper reinforce the fun, celebrating play in every detail while nodding to its catchy, slang-inspired name. Set to release on January 1st, the We Outside comes in various kids' sizes, $155 for grade school, $95 for preschool, and $75 for toddlers. It's clear Jordan Brand is embracing creativity, proving that style and fun go hand in hand, especially for the younger fans of the Jumpman.